Hi guys, my name is Mayank and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I wanted to start off with recommending a few podcasts. So the podcast that I want to recommend today is Lessons Learned with the Greats. This is a podcast which is hosted by Shane Watson. So he basically interviews cricketers who he has played with or they have had an impact on his own life. And I have listened to around 10-15 episodes of this podcast. There are still few of them which I have not listened to. I think one of the most important things that I have realized is about the personal lives of these players. I think we all as sports audience, we watch cricket and we make our opinions, our judgments from the outside, seeing that this player is playing in a certain way, he's performing in a certain way, but we only have a certain kind of perspective on what we are watching. So we are not able to see the personal lives of these players or what they are doing behind the scenes, which we are not aware of. And these players might be fighting even more difficult personal battles which we are not aware of, because personal life is different from professional life. And that is what I have understood after watching this podcast, that many of the cricketers who we feel that they were going through a tough time or were having a failure at that point of time in their life were actually going through something difficult in their own life. And that point of time you feel that we should not criticize these players so much, because everyone has ups and downs in their lives and they go through these ups and downs, but they still try their best to give their best on the field. So that is something I really realized. But I think one of the other things as well is about the responsibility that these players have on their shoulders. We as individuals, we all have our jobs, we work regularly to earn a living, but we also need to understand that these cricketers, these sports players, they are at a job which is at a very, very high level. They're representing their country. So any kind of pressure that they go through is multiplied because of this whole aspect. You realize how at what a stage, at what position these players are in. So at that point of time also a certain respect arises for the players, that if they're going through tough times, it is only tougher for them because they have to also realize the national side of things. I want to talk about my favorite episode of the podcast. There have been many episodes which I have liked. There have been many Australian cricketers that have come on the podcast, but the one episode which I loved listening to was that of Ian Bell. Now many of us might know Ian Bell. He has been a prolific cricketer for England. He has retired now from international cricket, but he used to be a great player. He used to bat normally at around number 3, I guess, and he was a prolific run scorer. And one of the things that I loved about Ian Bell was that he was so pleasing to the eye. He was mainly a test cricketer. He did play one-day internationals and T20s as well, but he established his career as a test cricketer mainly. I think that as when I was watching Ian Bell, whenever I was watching him, I was felt like he was so technically correct. He was so pleasing to the eye. But later on in his career, definitely his career fell off. He was dropped from the team, and he did not play for the most part in the later years of his career. But then when I listened to this episode, I realized a lot of mental battles that he was going through. So definitely I think a few things that I learned from the episode was related to the mental battles that he was fighting through, and he was constantly thinking about how he was getting out, why wasn't he scoring runs. And one of the things he mentioned was, which I think many cricketers have already mentioned, but he also mentioned it, was playing the ball and not the bowler. Now that is a huge thing. What many batsmen do, they actually play the bowler. So if there is a bowler who is a very prolific, respected bowler who has a great record, for example Shane Warne or Glenn McGrath, so then you kind of become intimidated by him, that oh my god, he's going to really bowl very well and I might get out. So that is a doubt which arises in your mind. But when you start playing the ball, you start focusing on the very ball which you are, and that is where your mindfulness, your concentration is at one point. So you'll be able to play very well. And that point you also realize that your strengths are important rather than focusing on the bowler's strengths. So play the ball, not the bowler. One of the things I learned. And the second thing I learned was Ian Bell talking about Andrew Strauss, and I was really impressed by Andrew Strauss's way of handling the team. He talked about Andrew Strauss in a very respected manner, and he said that at the end of the day's play in Test cricket, you would never realize while talking to Strauss that he has scored runs in that match or he has gotten out cheaply. And that is known as equanimity. It does not matter your performance on the field, it does not matter what is going on in your professional life, but your mind should remain calm. It should remain in the same state, and that is very important because we always go through these ups and downs in our life, but if we let those ups and downs control our mind, then that can have really negative impact on our life. We can start doing things which we don't want to do consciously, but because of our mind taking over, we can do very wrong things in our life. So overall, it was a great experience. I have listened to many other episodes as well related in this podcast. Mitchell Johnson, Ryan Harris, Stephen Fleming. I definitely recommend that you listen to this podcast. It's available on Spotify. I will leave the link in the description and you can check it out. But yeah, I highly recommend this one. And if you like cricket, you will definitely enjoy it. But even if you are not interested in cricket, I think you will get to learn a lot about life in general. So I definitely recommend this podcast. Go and check it out. So that was it for the video. Let me know how you found it, and I'm definitely going to continue this series. I'm going to recommend more and more podcasts, so let me know what you think of that. Yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. My name is Mayank, and I will see you soon.